Good morning, student. So, in the last period, we have completed measurement. What is that? Measurement of length. We can learn about only kilometer, meter, centimeter, gram, kilogram, liter and milliliter. Now, we have to learn relating different units of length. It means what is the relation of the unit that we have to learn in today's period. Okay, see the page number 160. Relating different unit of length. You have learned 4 unit of measurement of length. They have given below in order from big to small. What I say that kilometer is bigger and meter is smaller. Meter is bigger and centimeter is smaller. In yesterday's period I have already taught you. So kilometer, km more than meter, meter basic unit of length. Centimeter, millimeter less than meter. It is given. It means kilometer is bigger than centimeter, meter and millimeter. Meter is bigger than centimeter and millimeter. Then millimeter, centimeter is bigger than millimeter and millimeter is too small. But the meter is basic unit of length. Got it? So, let us see how they are connected to each other in the place value system. Everyone knows the place value. What is the place value? Place value, what we can say that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Like this we have say the place value of the number. Now we have to see the place value of length, measurement of length. See that first is given 1000, 100, tens, ones, tenth, 100 and 1000. It is only like that. What we say that first we can say it is ones. On the left side we are going tens, then 100 and then 1000. Here is going 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, like this. It is same. The place value is same as a number. But this says that in 1000 we can say it is kilometer, 100 it is hectameter, tens it is decameter, then meter it is decimeter, 100 it is centimeter and it is millimeter. Okay, what this says that in thousands place, it is 1 by 1000 we can say. It is 1 by 1000 we can say. It is millimeter. 100 we can say it is 1 by 100. It means it is on the centimeter. And then 110 it is 110 we can say. It is going after decimal point. It is going after decimal point. 10, 100 and 1000. Once it is 10. Then it is 10, sorry it is ones and then it is 100 and this is 1000. Is that? It is the basic unit. I already said it is the basic unit. So, this says that every move to the left increases the value of measurement 10 times. What they say is that every move to the left. This is the basic unit. We have to measure by this only. From this side, left side, it will be increases by 10. 10 here, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. It is going increasing. The left side, it is going increasing. And then, every move to the right decreases the value of the measurement 10 times. So, it is decreases. It means it is going multiplication. So, it is increases. 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10 it is 1000, it is going multiplication. Then when this is that we have to go the right side, we have to move, it is decreases by 10. It means it is decreases by 10, so we have to divide. So we have to divide this. So it will be division is going, then it is the decreases because the division is subtraction and multiplication we are taking addition. So it is increases by 10, it is decreases by 10. So see that multiply to change from bigger unit to smaller unit. So that multiply to change bigger unit to smaller unit. It means that bigger unit kilometer to hectometer, hectometer to decameter, decameter to meter. It is using multiplication. So this says that it is given that kilometer, then meter, centimeter and millimeter. It is given like this. So this says that multiply 4 to change from bigger unit to smaller unit. Bigger unit to smaller unit we have to use multiplication. Kilometer to meter we have to convert kilometer to meter. So we have to multiply by 1000. Meter to centimeter we have to multiply by 100. And centimeter to millimeter we have to multiply by 10. Okay. So we are converting bigger unit to smaller unit. Kilometer, it means 1 meter equals to 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, it means multiplied by 1000. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter means multiplied by 100. And 1 centimeter means 10 millimeter means multiplied by 10. Okay. So when we have to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to do the multiplication. See the green color. Divide to change from smaller unit to bigger unit. Divide to change. Smaller unit, we have to convert meter to centimeter. Divide by 10. Centimeter to meter, divide by 100. Okay. And meter to kilometer, divide by 1000. Okay. It means when we have to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, that time we have to divide. Remember this, you have to keep in mind when multiply to change means smaller, bigger unit to smaller, convert bigger unit to smaller, we have to do the multiplication, and we have to convert smaller unit to bigger, we have to do the division. Underline the sentence. The red color sentence is given there. Multiply to change from bigger unit to smaller unit. It means that we can say that we have to convert bigger unit to smaller, we have to do the multiplication. And in green color sentence is given, divide to change from smaller unit to bigger unit. Smaller unit to bigger unit. It means that when we have to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, that time we have to divide. So millimeter is too small, then centimeter, then decameter. Meter is the basic unit. Then decameter, this is decimeter and this is decameter. Hectometer and kilometer. So kilometer is too high. So kilometer is too bigger than hectometer, then decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. See that. Look at the example. Bigger unit to smaller unit. How they convert. 2 kilometer into 1000 is 2000 meter. 5 kilometer into 100 is 500 centimeter. And 3 centimeter into 10 is 30 millimeter. See, the first is 2 kilometer. They are using 2 kilometer into 1000. What they use? 2 kilometer. First is 2 kilometer. When to convert into meter, it means 2 multiplied by 1000. So it is 2000 meter. Bigger to smaller. Second is given that it is 5 meter. 5 meter equals to 5 into 100. 5 into 100 equals to 500. It is converted into centimeter. Meter is converted into centimeter. And then third is that it is 3 centimeter equals to 3 cm multiplied by 10 equals to 30 millimeter. meter. So centimeter is converted to millimeter. This is the increasing bigger to smaller. This is bigger to smaller. Okay. Second is that smaller to bigger. Then first one 5,000 centimeter. 5,000 centimeter. We are going from right to left. So centimeter is meter. 5,000 meter divided by 1,000. It is 5 meter. It is 5 kilometer. Okay, because we have to convert smaller to bigger. Meter into kilometer. Second is given that 300 centimeter. 300 centimeter divided by 100 meter. 100. So it will be 3 meter. Is it? It will be 3 meter. Then third is given, that is 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter divided by 10. It is 2 centimeter. It is 2 centimeter. So this is smaller to bigger. It is smaller to bigger. Is it? It is. So first we are taking bigger to smaller, that is 2 kilometer. It is multiplied by 1,000 is 2,000. Answer is meter. Second is going 5 meter. We are multiplied by 100. So it is 500 centimeter. And third is centimeter. We have to convert into millimeter. So it is 3 into 10 is 30 millimeter. When we are going bigger to smaller, that time we have to do multiplication. And second is given smaller to bigger is 5,000 meter. It is divided by 1,000 is 5 kilometer. 300 centimeter is divided by 100 is 3 meter. And 20 millimeter is divided by 10 is 2 centimeter. It means that we are doing here division for smaller to bigger. Got this? Again you can, that blue color is given bigger to small, multiply, and small to big, it is divide. See then the what is given then. Express, see the page number 161. Expressing measurement in different way. How we can measure? It is given the tip of the pencil needle. It is 5 millimeter. So or it will be 5 millimeter. So it is 5 millimeter is given and then it is divided. It means that 5 divided by 10. So answer is 0.5. So that is given that 0. Centimeter. Or coin, it is shown that the diameter of the coin is 2 centimeter. 3 millimeter. So that 2.3 centimeter. So see that yellow box. You have already learned this in the decimal chapter. So we are divided, we are learning decimal chapter, multiplication also how we can give. So 5 meter 20 centimeter is 5.20 meter using bigger unit. 520 centimeter using smaller unit. 2 centimeter 3 millimeter it's 2.3 centimeter using bigger unit. Directly we can write 23 millimeter using smaller unit. And 6 kilometer 300 meter it is 6.300 kilometer using bigger unit and 6300 meter using smaller unit. So we have directly multiply or we can divide here. So what is the relation between different units length? We have learned that when we can going bigger to smaller unit, we have to do the multiplication, and when we can going smaller to bigger unit, we have to go into division. Is it? Remember this. We can underline this sentence. What is given in the black color also. Every move to the left increases the value of measurement by 10. We have to multiply by 10 only. So we have to multiply 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 10 is 1000, 1000 into 10 is 10,000, like this. Then every move to the right decreases the value of measurement 10 times. So when we can going to left, that time it is increases. When we are going to right, that time it is decreases. Okay, so here we can complete the relating different units of length. We will see the exercise 11a. Only chapter question 2 is given there. Okay, measure, only question 2 is not, it is only question 1 is given and 2 is given, is match the following. So first is measure, give your answer in centimeter and millimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, A it is centimeter and millimeter. The nail is given there. Scale is also given there. How much it is? 3 centimeter. It is 3 and 3.3 is there. So 3 centimeter, 3 millimeter. B is given that only it is 1 centimeter. Then C is given that 3.2 centimeter. Then D is given that again it is 2 centimeter. Millimeter. What they use, you can see that and you can write it. That is the homework to you. You can measure that what is centimeter and millimeter. Then match the following is given 38 millimeter, 38 centimeter, 5 millimeter and 5 centimeter. What is that? It is coming in centimeter, meter, millimeter, centimeter. What is that? You can do yourself. Match the following is given. You can do yourself. I know that you can try. If you don't know, then I will give you tell you in doubt session. Okay. But exercise 11a you have to complete in your notebook. Got it? And next time we will see the converting one unit into another. Okay.